Okay, so I'm in the workshop this afternoon to carry out a demonstration to show you the importance of selecting the correct electrical cable for any given application. So this cable that I've just shown here is going to go down to the starter motor, and you can see the connection on the back of the solenoid here. So let's just run the cable, run where the cable goes. It comes from the starter motor up to the positive terminal on my battery. Okay, so I'm going to use an amp clamp just to measure how much current is drawn through that cable when we start the car or start the engine. So I'm just going to press the 0 button to calibrate it. Try that again. Okay, it should go to 0. Okay, we're on 0 now. We'll just connect that under here. It's difficult to do with one hand holding the camera. Okay, just hold that there. I don't know if you can see those readings. I'll just actually calibrate it again. Okay, so we're now on 0 and we've got the start button here. I'm going to press that in a moment. I just want you to watch the current being drawn by that starter motor. I'll do that again. Okay. So I'm just going to disconnect. So now I've gone to the other extreme. I've just made a loop in my very thin piece of wire, which we are going to connect to the solenoid here. Let's try and get that on. And again, it's very awkward trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time. Okay, so it's now connected up. Okay, so I've twisted those together. Just going to connect it like so on the battery. Probably not the best connection, but it's on there fairly secure and running down to my starter motor. Okay, so we will connect up the negative terminal. Switch my amp clamp on to DC amps. Press the calibration button to 0 it, and again connect that to my lead. Now I've carefully arranged it so that it doesn't touch the jaws of the amp clamp because I'm expecting it to get incredibly hot. All right, you can see the numbers fluctuating on the amp clamp, but it should be reading 0, pretty much is. So I'm just going to press the starter and we will hopefully get quite a dramatic effect. You can see that cable heating and plenty of smoke coming out of it.